Hello to everyone, my name is SNEZANA IVKOVIC. I am a professional musician, Master of Musical Arts and Doctorand in Violin Performance. Before we start with the violin classes, I would like to introduce you to the most efficient way of tuning your violin as a beginner. Tuning is the action of making something in tune. It is also the set of pitches to which an instrument is tuned. There are many tuners available nowadays, from online applications to electrical devices, but the actual adjusting the strings in the correct pitch, it's our part of the job. The most important for tuning the violin is to listen carefully to the sound. Concert pitch, also called international standard pitch, is the sound to which a group of instruments is tuned for a concert performance. The modern tuning standards use frequency of 440 Hz for the musical note A as a reference pitch. Let's open the Violin Tuner app and start right away. In the very beginning, to get familiar with the violin sounds, I advise you to try to sing the pitches of the strings from the lowest to the highest note. Let's try it together. Tap the peg G, then press play. G. Tap the peg D, press play. D. Please repeat after me. Excellent. String A. Then E string. Very good. As you can see, when the needle stops in the middle of the scale, that means the pitch is perfect in tune. Let's now tune the strings separately, one by one, starting from the concert pitch, the A string. For adjusting the pitch higher, we will have to turn the peg or fine tuner, if installed, clockwise to the right. And to tune the string lower, we will have to turn the peg in the opposite direction to the left. Let's tune the violin. For advanced tuning, we will play in double stops using only the reference pitch A note. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next video class.